Shaneil Muir this Shelly wicked pan live and run our way.
My legs don't walk like they used to before. Go suck your mama and go. Hey girl, go suck and dip up under the deepest part of your mama big stinking crotches, big old girl, and come up from a bumper clot live. Black under your pussy clot.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Now people know that Shaneil Muir is a cool person, right? As far as we know, she's a real cool person. She been alright so far and everything look good. But there's only so much a person can take. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. I'm going to show you what going on Shaneil Muir live yesterday, right? So Shaneil Muir live and she has sing her song them. It's like a lover's rock moment. You know, she has sing Beer Souls. Not even for her song them she has sing. She has sing some Ed Sheeran. All kind of songs she has sing. And then somebody come provoke her. She try to hold it. So I'm going to show you the first part where she try to hold it. Here goes.
Watch them a fall in love. Over here, so. Because I want to. Okay? Why are you? You see, oh no. You don't trouble me. I'm really and truly not trouble people, you know. Because you ask me why you always wearing filters. Me if I say, why are you alive? Why are you alive? Why are you alive? Why am I always wearing a filter? Why are you alive? Why are you living? What is it? Why are you alive? I love to provoke me. I'm gonna provoke people, you know. Stop from troubling me. Stop from troubling me. Don't trouble me. Come and trouble people. I don't trouble people, don't trouble me. But telling you, you know, don't come for me if you never send for no. Come on out and nice. I'm going to hurt on feelings. I will hurt your feelings. I will hurt your feelings. Okay. Go put some lip gloss on your lip. Clearly you hurt. Me hurt your feelings. Me hurt your feelings. It's okay. Let's fuck up the mood, so. Cha!
Yeah, people, so no ear wagwan. First, Shelly asked her why she always depend live with filter, and then I got to tell her she go put on some lip gloss, right? And Shaneil try to hold her composure multiple times. She try to go back to the singing, but one about for year next, people, she just couldn't take it no more, and she explode and unload pan Shelly. You see me? People, me don't know who name Shelly, but you know what I mean? Every Shelly out there, I'm sorry for no, because Shaneil says she eat every Shelly right now. You see me? So me I go show you what go on next. Things escalated and Shaneil Muir went off. You see me? So here goes.
Let's fuck up the mood. Go clean your pussy. Go clean your pussy. Go clean your pussy. Yeah. My lip not trouble. Go clean your pussy. Go clean your pussy. When your legs don't walk like they used to before. Go suck your mama and go. Hey girl, go suck and dip up under the deepest part of your mama big stinking crotches, big old girl, and come up from a bumper clot live. Black under your pussy clot. You're outside and a blood clot. Go suck your mama. You don't like when I go on? You don't like when I go on myself? But the two of you come over blood clot, come trouble. Hey girl, go suck your mama. Hey! I'm off my life. Go suck out your mama, girl. Don't provoke me, you know, come on, Shelly. Shelly. Okay.
Jah know star me shame and I know me. But people now have to understand where the artist a come from. She get you a lot with these people all the time. You see what I say? Remember say no. First them they say she pregnant, then say she needs surgery. Then when she gone on vacation, people are talk about her bottom flat. Then she up on stage at Texas wedding again, them take her on. You see what I say? It's just like people just keep on a provoke her. So there's so much a person can take. She a human being as well. And she a go say it in the next part. You see me I say? And she a send out a fear warning to anybody else who feel like say they want to come and provoke her when she a try to do her thing. You see me I say? She tell you the things them what she no play about. And I go play the part this so you can hear. So here goes.
I will send you up anyone who come from. You don't play with me. Don't play with me. I don't fuck with people, you know. I don't fuck with people, you know. People always a fuck around me. I'm in a business when nobody wants to say, but don't answer them. I go and send them up which part them come from because them too bright. Like when you don't know when you live and you love to pass on the yard. Now pass on the yard and come over here, so. First of all, you have to follow blood clot me for come in for me sitting them or whatever. You have to follow me because I set it for that way there. So no found not always follow me just to provoke me. That's why I'm going to send them back up and no man I don't go away. Don't play with me. Listen. Hold on, let me come in. 1 second. Let me make something very straight, okay? I don't play about my money. I'm not play about my music. I'm not play about my family. I'm not play about my man. And I fucking most of all don't play about me. So anybody come to play about them something there, I will fuck you up. Mentally and physically. Don't fuck yourself. Simple as that. Now play with me. Wanna feel maybe? See my robots? Full of water on me? I'm telling that. Lift up off of this. Fear man want, fear man get. Come, let's go fuck up the mood, man. As of today, I don't like nobody named Shelly. As of today, I don't like nobody named Shelly. I swear.
So no hear that people. She said she not like nobody when name Shelly as of today. But people, you know, me just show no some part. Me wanna show no the bad parts them. So I take the blame for that because you don't know how things go already. Right? This was a long 1 hour plus live and she go on with a lot of things before this moment. So me now go make it seems like she just come on live for just cuss out Shelly. That is not what happened. Okay, people? She was on live, she was singing a bunch of love song and have a good vibes. And probably that's why it hurt her so much and that's why she explodes. So because you know when you come and you're up on a good spirit and somebody just come mess up your vibes, because you know she said she had tried sing back the song and she she can't bring back herself to sing, you know what I mean? Till she all just lock off a thing and then she start dancing and some other things. But Shelly get her one dub plate because, you know what I mean, Shaneil Muir did sing a little song about Shelly, you know what I mean, what her song them. So hear the little piece of what Shaneil Muir sing about Shelly. Here goes.
Me never get a box from the boy. Me bad for real, so no watch the media. Coming on hip and bossy. Shelly a broke like dog and I move like dry and tourist. Dry and tourist. Chew me on hip and bossy. Me a feel up my God, cause Shelly bad mind and me notice. Shelly bad mind and me notice. A long time me no like mix up, nah discuss nobody me no listen. But if Shelly feel she brave, me we kick off the face, me a real top girl, me no wrist on. Hold on, alright, don't play. God, kill me. Cause Shelly you got the wrong Muir, go link Glenn Muir. Coming on hip and bossy, yeah. Alright, enough of that now.
So people, after that she start sing some more tune them and she sing one new song when me never hear it. This song bad people. And me I go do a video about that. You see me I say, I go use that piece there and make another video. Different vibes, nothing about Shelly. You see what me I say, Shelly time up right there, so it done. But now people, me don't want to ask But wrong or right. Me no want to ask if Shaneil Muir wrong or right with what she do. When me want to ask, if you don't depend live and somebody provoke you, if you don't think you know that behave the same way, I want to think you know could have hold it. Even though you not go answer, you can't necessarily feel the way how you not go feel when somebody really provoke you. But you know what I mean, try the best and give an answer. Me know say I kind of calm, but I calm to a certain level. Me will probably explode too. So that's it, people. Big up on yourself. So me I say jump in the comment section, let me know, and thanks for watching. Big up.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yadi.